Welcome to our quick guide on how to turn on Facebook notifications for events on your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to stay connected with the events that matter to you. Whether you're planning a party, attending a concert, or just want to keep track of what's happening in your community, these notifications will ensure you never miss out. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to activate event notifications. First, open your web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notification center. Click on this icon to open up your notifications panel. Next, you'll want to look for three little dots in the top right corner of the notifications panel. These dots are your gateway to customizing your notification experience. Give them a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can fine-tune all of your Facebook notifications, including those for events. Now, scroll down until you see the Events section. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says, Allow Notifications on Facebook, and make sure to toggle this switch on. This simple action will activate event notifications, keeping you in the loop about all the exciting happenings in your Facebook world. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on Facebook notifications for events on your PC. Now you'll receive timely updates about event invitations, changes to events you're interested in, and reminders for upcoming gatherings. This feature is a game changer for staying organized and connected in our busy digital lives. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences if you find you're getting too many notifications or not enough. Facebook gives you the power to customize your experience, so don't be afraid to tweak things until they're just right for you. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy staying up to date with all your Facebook events.